we are back from Aldi. I'm gonna just lay everything out and let you guys know how much everything cost. Here's the receipt. I'll try and go through prices as I pull things out of the bag. And then in the comments, tell me how much you think this would cost at like another store, Giant, Wegmans, Harris Teeter, Food Lion. I can't think of any other stores at the moment. And then I will tell you how much all of this cost at Aldi. I feel like I got a lot for how much I spent, so I'm happy with that. And it should last for about a month, except for like the produce and stuff. We go back every other week or something, but for the most part, this should last a good while, so I'm happy about that. Okay, let's pull everything out and see how much it cost. Onions that were $2.39. We have yellow onions that were also $2.39. 5 pounds of potatoes for $3.99. Cherub tomatoes for $2.69. Blueberries for $1.99. Baby carrots for 95 cents. Limes for $2.19. A cucumber for 59 cents. Green peppers for $1.65. Parmesan cheese is $2.19 each. This is rotisserie style pulled chicken for $7.39. I've seen it there for a while, and so I just wanted to try it out as an alternative to the other chicken they have. The rotini pasta noodles were 98 cents. We're also making the linguine pasta salad that was in the previous video. Somebody wanted it again, so we're making it again. 2 cans of corn, which were 63 cents each. 2 cans of refried beans, which were 99 cents each. Brown sugar, which was $2.09. We have cornstarch, which was $1.79. This pretzel tub was $5.19. My brother turned me on to these, and the honey wheat flavor is so much better than just regular pretzels. We have vegetable oil for $3.45. Italian dressing was $1.89. Utz potato chips were $2.85. 2 packages of romaine lettuce was $3.19 each. Cauliflower tortilla chips, nacho flavored. I got these last time and they were really good, so I wanted to try them again. They are $2.99. Martin's potato rolls, hamburger buns were $3.89. Whole wheat bread was $1.79. Honey buns were $1.85 each. Corn tortillas were $1.69. Large flour tortillas and medium flour tortillas, $1.89. Cheddar cheese was $2.89. Almond milk, that was $2.19. We have 4 boxes of mini muffins, which are $2.75 each. This is something that I eat on a daily basis for breakfast just because it's quick and easy. And compared to other stores like Shoppers or Giant, where I look at them, they're like $3 to $4 maybe a box. So this is definitely the cheapest, and I just prefer them much more. Quick and easy. The last bag is all like frozen stuff. So let's start with the hash brown potato sticks. This is the first time I saw them and I wanted to try them out. They were $3.29. Broccoli florets, there are 3 of them. were $1.09 each. Sour cream was $2.39. Ground beef was $4.69. The beef patties, you get 12 of them for $9.99. Vegetables are 87 cents each. There are 2 chicken Alfredo dinners. Again, just a quick and easy dinner. I love these things. They are $4.19 each. I usually just add like a frozen chicken patty, cut it up and put it inside with a little bit more Alfredo sauce. And it's enough for 2 people. This is the Barks Frozen Root Beer Pops Floats. Frozen Root Beer Vanilla Ice Cream Float. We will see if the hubby likes these. He likes the soda versions, and I saw these and showed him. He was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like that. But I saw them and I was like, sure, we'll try it out. They were $3.99. Sparkler Pops, lemon, blueberry, and strawberry. There are 6 of them for $3.29. for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. In the end, we only spent $133.41 at Aldi. I feel like that will be for like a good 3 weeks, maybe a month of stuff. And then putting it all away took way too much time, but I'm very precise and meticulous about where I want things. And I want to do a little bit of cleaning before I put everything away. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please make sure you do all the fun YouTubey things, like, share, comment. I'll be looking for your guesses of how much you think it should cost at like a regular store. And subscribe. And I will see you guys next Wednesday for crafting, cleaning, maybe cooking. I really enjoyed the cooking video I did, so I might do another recipe. If you have any favorite recipes that you want me to try, again, leave them in the comments and I will try them. I will try. I am not a professional, but I will attempt at least. But I will see you guys next Wednesday. Thank you guys so much for watching. See ya.